Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert Word document to PDF in your computer. So actually there are two ways. The first way is just locate to the folder where your Word document is. Mine one is in this folder. So this is the Word document which I want to convert. So in the first way we just need to open it, and as you in your Microsoft Word we need to click on File, go to Save As, click on Browse, and now choose the location where you want to save this. I want to save it on desktop. Then here we need to change save as type from Word document to PDF, and then just click on save. Now if I just close this and go to my desktop, here you can see the Word document is successfully converted to PDF. But for some reason, if this way doesn't work in your case, you can try the second way. In that case, you need to open a browser, and here we need to click on these 9 dots, and here we need to go to docs, so you can easily open the Google Docs as well. And as you open it, just click on blank document. Here we need to click on file, click on open, then go to upload, click on browse, and choose the Word document which we want to convert. Mine one was in the sample data folder, so this is the Word document which we want to convert. So I'll just double click on it. Now you can see the file is uploading, and yeah, here you can see the file is open. Now we need to click on file here, click on download, and just select it on PDF download. And yeah, here you can see the file is downloaded. Now if I go to my download folder and show you that the file is successfully converted to PDF. So now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.